Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving a bit deeper into the real-world applications of data cleanrooms in digital marketing. If you haven't seen our first video on the topic, we've added that link below. Let's get started. First, a quick definition. What exactly are data cleanrooms? Simply put, they are secure environments where sensitive data from various sources can be analyzed together without actually sharing the raw data. Think of it as a virtual room where participants can come in and collaborate, but can't take any data out. This allows for privacy-compliant analysis, enabling companies to glean insights while keeping user data protected. Now, let's break down how data cleanrooms are used in performance marketing measurement. Imagine a scenario where Superstore, a brand highly protective of its data, wants to measure the effectiveness of ads run by publisher Alpha, a telecom company with its own strict data privacy rules. Both parties face significant challenges due to their stringent data privacy and aggregation requirements. A clean room addresses these challenges by ingesting Superstore's and publisher Alpha's unique data without exposing any raw identifiers. Using privacy-preserving techniques such as differential privacy and secure multi-party computation, or MPC, the clean room matches installs and post-install events to ad exposures while respecting both parties' data privacy constraints. Differential privacy ensures that the results of data analysis do not compromise individual privacy by adding random noise to the data or the results. Secure multi-party computation, or MPC, allows multiple parties to jointly compute functions over the data while keeping their individual data inputs private through cryptographic techniques. This allows Superstore to gain insights into the effectiveness of publisher Alpha's ads without compromising their stringent data privacy policies. At the same time, publisher Alpha can aggregate and anonymize its own identifiers and ad exposure data, demonstrating the value of their ad placements to Superstore without violating their own data privacy policies. By acting as a neutral, secure environment, the clean room solves both Superstore's and publisher Alpha's challenges simultaneously. It ingests and anonymizes data from both parties, matches installs and post-install events to ad exposures using advanced privacy-preserving technologies, and generates aggregated reports that provide insights into ad effectiveness. In conclusion, both Superstore and publisher Alpha possess valuable first-party data that is crucial for precise targeting and measurement. However, leveraging this data through traditional integrations can be challenging and may not fully capitalize on its potential. This is where data cleanrooms come into play. By utilizing a clean room, both parties can securely analyze and measure the effectiveness of their advertising campaigns without directly sharing raw data. This innovative approach ensures compliance with privacy guidelines while unlocking the full power of their novel data for enhanced ad performance insights. Embracing the future of digital marketing with data cleanrooms can transform your advertising strategy. So there you have it, a quick overview of data cleanrooms and an example of a real-world application. Kochava Foundry has been incredibly successful in setting up and managing these environments. By leveraging our expertise, we ensure that both parties achieve their measurement goals while maintaining their standards of data security and privacy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more ad tech trends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.